this monkey! Do something.
What is up, everybody? It is the Mrs. Awesome Adorable Animals!
You got it right! Yay!
What do I win?
It only took 4 months! Yay!
We are here at the awesome and amazing Potawatomi, aka Potto, in Wisconsin, and I have found a brand new game that we don't have at home. I've never seen this game before. It is a Link So Hot Monkey in the Bank, and look at those banks. So our bets that we have available go from 40 cents up to $4. It is only a penny denom, so you know I like it right in the middle, so $1.60 it is. Ooh,
My spirit animal.
piggies.
My spirit animal.
That's a good first spin.
Wow.
Hey
$4
now.
on 3 pigs?
On a $1.60 bet.
Wow.
Woo, woo. I gotta teach BDSlots how to play slots.
Jeez, evidently.
Oh. Oh. So I'm just taking a guess. We want 3 monkeys. Oh, what?
You broke it! You blew it!
Don't know what happened there. Maybe that's a good sign. We'll see. Oh, I did start with $300, so.
Yeah.
I usually say what I start with. It's usually $100, but
It'll come up across the screen.
yeah, you saw it scroll right there. Come on, monkey. Oh, there's a gold pig. Gold pig seems like it could be better than the regular pig.
Well, yeah, 3 pigs of the normal kind are $24. Yeah.
Oh,
And 3 of those gold. What happens?
come on, monkeys. Piggies. Anything? Hey now.
So this must be your wild. The gold must be your wild.
Sure.
Dude, what is?
I don't know what.
I don't know why it's doing that.
I don't know. No idea why the screen keeps going black.
But it's giving you hits. I don't want to move. That's the button. Like everyone's probably thinking right now. Please move. Please move. I hate that. But unfortunately, we may have to keep going.
Right. We like those piggies.
Oh, maybe the pigs.
Go, yoinka!
Oh.
Wait, what? What just happened to me?
No. The bonus is just it kicks up there. So it doesn't mean you get like free games. You gotta break those.
This is just not acceptable.
Okay. You need to file a complaint with the monkeys.
Maybe I will.
Oh god, that's annoying. We
Yeah.
gotta move. All right, yeah, guys, we're gonna move down to another. There's a bank of 3.
Yeah,
Go down to the left.
there's
Go to
3
the left.
machines, and that one down there at the end has some big banks as well. Sorry, just waiting on my ticket to pop out here. There we go. Okay. Let's try this again. Gonna keep the camera here so we're not getting folks that we don't want on camera. Take the card. Take the ticket. Okay, there we go. Gotta make sure our volume is up. And starting with the $1.60 bet again. There we go. Okay. Queens! So other than the piggies and the monkeys, I'm not seeing any other animals. And the pigs look like they are in a position that they are ready for action. They're ready to run. That's what I meant by that. Ready to run. Yeah, because pigs run. Hee hee! And they jump. Come on! The blackout machine was doing better.
The blackout machine.
Well, what would you like me to call it?
That's true. That's why I didn't want to go. It was giving you line hits, but it was driving me nuts.
Try a couple 320 bets, maybe? You're jumping around some bets. I'm becoming somewhat leery here.
Oh, it was all three. Oh, that'd have been nice.
Not so sure about you, monkey.
So, are the monkeys annoying you, honey?
Oh!
Damn it! No! It blew my joke! I was gonna say, are the monkeys annoying you? Do you want to spank the monkeys? Damn it! You ruined my joke, monkeys!
The timing could not have been better. Thank you, monkeys. Thank you. Come on, we need some monkeys in the bank. Just like any other game with pots or bags or whatever, popping all three is ideal at the same time. Oh, got an extra spin.
There you go.
Needed that. 3 spins.
Definitely needed that.
Make it worthwhile, please. Come on. Big, 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 big. Okay. That.
880, huh? All right.
Bananas. Oh, I don't know what would have happened if we would have had a piggy here. Those piggies look a little scared.
Well, you said they're getting ready to run. They're like, F that noise.
Yes, ready to run. They are ready. So again, everybody, we are here at Potawatomi, and it is amazing. It is ginormous. If you come to Potawatomi, be ready to walk a lot. It's 3 floors. Second floor is smoking. First floor is, I don't even think we've explored it all yet.
We've hit most of it.
And
not all of it, no.
Third floor, we've barely explored.
Yeah.
I'm sure Big Daddy will have a video coming out, but even the standard room is pretty nice. Let's mix up the bets again. Yeah, so there we go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, monkeys. Ah. So apparently it's a little tough to get bonuses on this. Oh.
Oh, that's crazy. Because the pigs
Kings and nines? Yeah, the pigs are wild.
Have they not lined up on some of your other hits?
Right.
Oh, okay.
He's just
Or
now.
The gold pigs are wild.
No, all the pigs are
I
wild.
don't think the regular pigs are not wild.
I think they might.
Oh, I think the gold. Because you've had regular pigs lined up. You're reading the directions, lame.
When added wild, so that's for added wilds.
No. These stack up. At that point.
That's under bonus
yeah.
features.
Yeah.
Wild, those substitute for all symbols except for the monkey. Huh. Who's right?
You even learn on the misses. Awesome, adorable animals.
Come on.
Oh, really?
Really?
On a 320? Really?
Oh?
Maybe it didn't like. I don't know. All right. You're right.
What?
Oh, like that's the first time you heard that from me.
Come on, monkeys! Hey now. Bag of money. We're just gonna go a couple more here. Come on. Oh, monkey. Come on, monkeys, please. Please, monkeys.
Oh. I call shenanigans.
Yeah. All right, so anything? I'm gonna do one more. All right, that's it. I'm done, monkeys, piggies, I'm done. That was not the greatest. We saw one bonus and proved Big Daddy could stuff his foot in his mouth, so always a good time. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Have you played this? Have you had any better luck than I did? All right, see you soon on the next episode.